Before you sit down and start writing your goals, you're going to want to think about what tools are out there that are going to help me. Three of those tools that are out there that are commonly used are the logic model, the mind map, and the log frame. I'm going to show you examples from each of these. Here's an example of a logic model. The way the logic model works is you start out on the right side of the screen and at your long-term outcomes and your impacts, and you work backwards from that to determine what are the inputs needed to accomplish these particular outcomes. I find the logic model very useful. I've used it for years. On the bottom of it, you'll see in blue, there are two categories, assumptions and external factors. These are a way of putting inputs in of the various assumptions you have to take place when thinking about whether or not this particular project can work given the circumstances. And the other one are the external factors. Who are the competition in my work? What impacts might weather have on my work, or changes in legislation in the state or funding? These are external factors that have to be taken into account when working with the logic model. On the next is the mind map. The mind map, you start out, what do I want to actually improve or change? This comes from your needs assessment. And then what is needed to make that change, and what's needed, and what are those, how do those various things needed to make the change interact with me being able to get the change accomplished? The third one is called the log frame. The log frame is a table, and on the y-axis you have goal, outcome, outputs, and activities. And on the x-axis you have a project summary, indicators, means of verification, and risks and assumptions.